You're welcome to Green Nigeria.
Okay, you're welcome to your number one tourism and agricultural program on radio. It's Green Nigeria Radio Show, and my name is Meshach Yager. Don't forget, here on Green Nigeria Radio Show, we tell you it's tourism, it's agriculture, it's progress. Anything tourism and agriculture, we encourage. Anything tourism and agriculture, we bring it to you right here, and we see how we can encourage, talk about it until something is done, and see how the whole states in Nigeria can unite. The whole states in Nigeria can bring out their tourism potentials and see how they can start making money independently and unite as one Nigeria. There's nothing like division. There's no strength in our division. There's rather strength in our diversity. Okay? If the Arewa, if the Oduduwa, if the Middle Belt, if the Niger Delta, everybody come together, will be better. Okay? But if everybody decides to go their way, then what happens to the minority tribes? Do you know we have over 700 tribes in just Adamawa State in the north? Adamawa State, yeah. So what happens to those tribes? If everybody decides to say we want to lead, okay, we decide to say, okay, Adamawa is a state, and then they tell you, okay, we too, it is our turn. What happens? You discover that oppression becomes magnified at the grassroots, and a lot of things happen when people are oppressed. They revolt. So you discover that you still find a boomerang effect of our division. So what are we saying? Let's unite. Let's bring out the strength in our diversity. Now, talking about Yobe State today, we're telling you about the Dagona Bird Sanctuary, and we'll be right back. We'll tell you more. Stay tuned. It's Green Nigeria Radio Show. You're welcome back. Yobe State, northeast of Nigeria, okay, where you find Dagona Bird Sanctuary. This is another tourism destination within the country. Now, okay, it is one of the important regions marked for conservation of avifauna species in sub-Saharan Africa. Okay, now I'm telling you about avifauna. In case you don't know, avifauna is a category of birds, warm-blooded vertebrates constituting the class Aves. Living species, more than half of which are passerine or perching birds. Talking about avifauna, okay? Now, it might interest you to know that Yobe State is an agricultural state. It was carved out from Borno State in 1991, precisely 27th of August, by the then military administration of General Ibrahim Babangida. The capital is Damaturu. Now, talking about Dagona Bird Sanctuary. What has climate change has to do with Dagona? Is it affecting this place, Yobe's ecological sanctuary? But what can this present government, President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed, do to revamp the tourism and agricultural sector? We are waiting for answers. Okay? What can be done? Dagona Bird Sanctuary. What can be done to revamp this internationally acclaimed tourist destination? Check it out. You can peg birds from Europe, from America, from Asia, and during winter they converge in Dagona Bird Sanctuary. Okay, that's why it's recognized. The Prince of Edinburgh visited in 1991, thereabout, 1991, visited that place and confirmed it a UNESCO tourist destination. So you can check it out. These are potentials in Nigeria lying without anything promising. Okay, so what can be done right now? How can we translate these potentials into maximum productivity? This is what we've been talking about here on Green Nigeria Radio Show on each episode. Okay, that has been the program for today. Green Nigeria Radio Show. Stay tuned for more on the program. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our videos. Make people know about what is happening here, okay? And visit a state. And if you are outside Nigeria, try coming to Nigeria, visit any state that we've talked about and give us feedback. We'll be glad to hear.